share the video before I start the fire. I will show you who the Anochi is. And I'll show you next year, me KOD. I will show you how the Facebook and internet will be from next year. And you go see, say, it go happen. Ah, now, one is okay in the Japan. Canada Japan, polo now, Ocean. The polo Canada Japan they wear, we don't wear it in UK anymore. Canada Japan, the polo atari Ocean. Abroche yen shop polo bium. And go for bonso musha polo and go for muchichi gotem. Every day, look at my watch and look at my shoe and look at what system in Kwana Oye. Canada Japan, village things so they do. Canada Japan has been sent to do damage control. Canada Japan, he has been sent to do damage control. Nanado on fa Canada Japan nyeshe. Nanado dankwa ombu Canada Japan. You know they talk to himself. Canada Japan won't make Nanado see say he pay way go fish silence Kevin Taylor. That's why they do what they do. Make we put that aside. I want us to talk about the issue. The issue about it be about Anochi. Kevin Taylor here video no obo Anochi din. Muni Anochi. Bebe catch him about Anochi no. And I challenge Anochi to come out and talk, say, what are they talk be lie? There they go see, say, KOD Ghana information that is saying. Kevin Taylor, my friend, on bisa Kevin Taylor, Becca Chow. We explode down. You know why? Because the guy is a blessing to Ghana. This Kevin Taylor, I will tell you. Recently, where KOD know they give fire again. Anochi guy na idea America. MPP go bring Anochi. If you Anochi win election, give MPP 2016. They tell you people today, the guy be computer guy. If be way make MPP win election 2016, that be the Anochi guy. As Anochi win the election, give MPP. Ken Oforiata them give Alex Oforiata. Alex, the guy name be Alex. Then take Alex Oforiata, give Anochi, say make Anochi date him. The girl that Anochi is going out with right now is called Alex Oforiata. Of this thing, Anochi buy am house where he puts the girl in name for top. The reason why they do so be say them they fear say Anochi, if Anochi left the camp, Anochi go fi do yawa. Anochi hack people them the big men all them they Ghana where they get money. Anochi he hack them a phone. He know them a conversation. He know whatever them they talk. Anochi he hack all the big people them a phone for Ghana. Anochi be the person who win election give MPP 2016. That be the guy where right now you people for be vigilant and open your eyes. He will tell MPP say he go control social media. Everything they go on, he go control them. So from next year they go, you see what Kevin Taylor talk, it be true. From next year they go, Anochi go control social media. I they tell you, he go, the guy no computer inside. The woman where he marry, he be Ken Oforiata in cousin. His name be Alex. Alex Oforiata. He buy him house. He buy him house. And see Kevin, where your friend is Canada Japan. What Canada Japan is doing right now, it's called damage control. You know damage control? Duke, let me educate you. If you go where you go vote for police station, they go accumulate the figures of a system inside. What the system go talk, be final. Make you not lie to yourself. Me, KOD, I educate you. If you go where you go vote for polling station, forget about what they go count for there. What the system go talk be right. Before electoral commissioner go come announce the results, if they announce them based on what is computerized, you know they announce them based on what you hear for Ododio constituency or whatever. If they announce them based on what is being put on the system, don't fool yourself. You